We're here in Philadelphia at the 2018 Automation Fair event. The best companies in industrial automation are here, and I'm so excited. I'm Teresa Hauk, Executive Editor of the Journal from Rockwell Automation and our partner Network Magazine. One of those top companies is Det-Tronics, and I'm here talking with Vern. Vern, for those who don't know, tell us what your company does.
Yeah, so Det-Tronics has been a company that's been in business for over 40 years in fire and gas. So our real product and what we offer is a FM certified life safety system to detect fire and gas.
So tell me more about it. I know that it's NFPA 72 certified and it has a lot of safety features for the process industry.
Yeah, so we tie into, in this case, we came here to Rockwell because we are encompassed partners with Rockwell to tie into our DLR of our control panel, and our control panel is really the brains of our system. This is what is certified to NFPA 72 and also the FM certification. What makes us unique is that we are certified for life safety in fire and gas, which makes us very, very unique. And we are very unique in the amount of data that we can provide the operator on our screen. So for example, what we have here up on display over here is our EQP system. And our EQP system has multiple devices, input devices, that sit onto what we call our LAN network. Our LAN network is tied into our control panel. Our control panel ties into the DLR into the Rockwell interface for the user.
And who are your typical users?
So users, we span from multiple segments. Petroleum, oil, and gas is a main segment for us. Hangars, aerospace, so NASA, for instance, turbine generators, so power gen. So we're in a lot of different sectors, really the industrial sector of the marketplace.
Do you guys help install, do you help integrate the technology once you set up a system with your customers?
So we have a full department of service. We can do what we call commissioning. We are aligned with different partners throughout the United States that actually have the install capabilities, and we work very closely with integrators that can help integrate our systems and do the installation. And we have service techs that come out there and actually commission and test the system and make sure that it meets all the standards and goals of the company and the company's needs.
Well, that's so important, and there's a lot of information you can get to learn more about this product as well as other offerings from Det-Tronics. So go to the URL you see on your screen and find out how they can help you. I'm Teresa Hauk from the Journal Magazine. I'll see you next time.